Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys another video on Apecoin. That's right, we want to talk about one of your favorite monkeying around kind of tokens. That's right, we're going to talk a little bit more about Apecoin, the coin for the Bored Ape Yacht Club. But before I jump into today's content, I want to make sure you guys are taking advantage of the free money and the links to the descriptions down below to crypto.com and FreeMex. If you guys like free money, go on and get it down below. Also, if you like what we're bringing to the table for you guys in terms of news updates and content, make sure you smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's right, y'all. Please subscribe to the channel. That's what keeps us fresh in the algorithm. Also, if you want to get alerted of our latest videos, make sure you hit that notification bell. Without further ado, let's jump into the charts. Let's check it out. What's going on in the Apecoin realm, y'all? So where's it at? We're going to scroll on through. Oh, let's find some Apecoin today. So currently, Apecoin, oh man, it made its way down a little bit. You know what? I'm not even seeing it here. We're going to do the search function, guys. Now, Apecoin was pretty hot as of late because it came out with a massive pump. I think it launched in early March, I believe it was, and what happened is the Bored Ape Yacht Club holders made a bunch of money because it launched at an extreme price, and they took profit right away, and a lot of them sold their shares. One big YouTuber you might have heard of, BitBoy, actually sold all his ape tokens immediately to launch. He did have an Bored Ape Yacht Club. He's got a Bored Ape Yacht Club with some bunny ears, and I think he sold off all his tokens right at the beginning, which is why you're going to see boom. I mean, this thing launched and then crashed and then kind of went stagnant. Now, we are holding a pretty good floor at right around $10, $11 is kind of the floor. So that's pretty good to see. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I do like Apecoin. I like the project. And I think that it's got some long-term potential. I really do, because Bored Ape Yacht Club is the biggest NFT play. But if the crypto markets take a further dip and we see this project and we see crypto as a whole take a downturn, well, then you can expect to see some pretty significant downward action, which just means one thing to me. Discounts are on the way. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to go down, but if it does, it's probably going to crash quite a bit, especially with Bitcoin if it crashes in a significant way. Now, that's always an opportunity for you and me to DCA dollar cost average and get a good price on some of our favorite tokens. So that's one thing you guys got to keep in mind. Now, I'm going to take a dive into the community here. Actually, I'm going to go to the website, and I want to show you guys some of the things they got going. So I'm going to go straight to the Twitter, and I'm going to show you guys some of the latest updates they've got going on. So there are 270,000 followers, quite a big community following up here. They are partnered with Yuga Labs and Animoca brands, which is pretty cool. So those are some huge partners. And they do have some pretty cool news coming out. So they are actually got Coinbase right now is making a film, and it's featuring Apecoin. So that's something that you guys got to keep in mind when you've got some of the largest exchanges starting to list these newer tokens, and you've got them putting them into some of their advertisements. You're starting to see the Apecoin more and more, and that really gives me the idea that this token is truly going to be along for the long haul. And you keep that in consideration with the fact that Bored Ape Yacht Clubs are huge. It's a good sign. So Coinbase coming out featuring Apecoin in a video, which is pretty neat. They also are doing they've got a first restaurant to accept Ethereum and Apecoin. So you've actually got different institutions, different restaurants, and I think even Home Depot is accepting Apecoin, which is unbelievable. Like, honestly, like, who's going to spend their ape tokens at Home Depot? I don't know, but it just shows you guys it's pretty exciting. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of hype, and people are jumping on this train to take advantage of the excitement behind Apecoin, which is really good for all us hodlers out there and all us fellas and ladies trying to DCA in as the markets are struggling right now. Now, the halving for Bitcoin's coming up in about 2.5 years, and we might see some downward action moving into that, which just tells me you guys got to take advantage of the opportunity to fill your bags now, because in 2.5, 3 years, we could be pumping to the moon in crypto as a whole, and especially with projects like Bored Ape Yacht Club and Apecoin. So There is a new wallet listing announcement. So these are the things I want you guys to keep an eye out for. Keep an eye on their Twitter because this is where you're going to find some of the new partnerships. I do love seeing this Coinbase announcement. That's pretty big. Another spot that I like to watch is I do like to check out the Reddit. And I want to see a couple things. You know, how many followers do they have? How many tweets do they have? So they only have 119 tweets right now, which, to be honest with you, is not really that impressive. So I'd like to see the Apecoin community and the Apecoin team starting to post a little bit more and get a little bit more involved. You guys got to be on the lookout because there's a lot of talk here. I know there's an ape swap already, which is exciting. They're going to come out probably with some kind of Apecoin metaverse or integrate Apecoin into the metaverse in some capacity. And there could be a lot more coming. But Twitter is going to be one of the best places you guys can go to find out what's going to happen next. So going back over to the charts, guys, I want to kind of give you guys my price prediction. If Bitcoin goes back up and goes back to 50K, we're going to see a $20 Apecoin again. I think we're going to get back to that high. And if Bitcoin goes back to all-time highs, you're going to see Apecoin blow past $20. I do think, and I said it in another video, I'm going to say it again, I think if the bull market continues, or at least when the bull market comes back around, we could see a $100 Apecoin. Let me know what you guys think in the chat box down below. I am very excited about this project, and I certainly wish I bought a Bored Ape Yacht Club back a couple months ago. But hey, y'all, we can't win them all, but we got to keep an eye on the latest and greatest content. One way to do that is to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, stay posted with the content. I'll keep you guys up to date with the latest news stories breaking with Apecoin. That's all I got for you in this video. I am Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. And remember, guys, DCA, HODL, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.